Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to install Terraform on Windows 11 using a manual method. So let's dive in. First, head over to terraform.io/downloads, press enter. On the left side, click on Windows. Since I'm using an Intel processor, I will click download next to the 386 version. Click on save as, and I'm going to save it on my desktop. So it's going to download the zip file. I'll go to my desktop, right-click on the zip file, click Extract All, click Extract again. All right, you can see the terraform.exe binary file. Right-click on it and click on Copy. I'll go to my C drive, go into Program Files, create a new folder, click Continue, and I'm going to call this as Terraform. Press Enter, open up the folder, and I'm going to paste the binary file in here. Click Continue. Now we need to add this folder into your system path. Right-click and click Copy. I'll right-click on Start and go into Settings. And then find the Settings search box. I will type Path and select Edit the System Environment Variables. Click Environment Variables. Select Path under System Variables. Click Edit. Click on New. I'm going to paste the folder path, and this is where the binary file terraform.exe is copied. Click OK and OK again. Click OK on System Properties, close out Settings, right-click on Start and open up Windows PowerShell. Click Yes. So to check if it worked, simply type Terraform and press Enter. All right, there you go. You should see the commands available. For the version, just run Terraform version, press Enter, and you can see the version. And Terraform -help can be used to get more information about Terraform or a specified subcommand. I hope you like this video. For more videos like these, please subscribe to my channel.